Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTier and I am the owner and operator of La Georgia Creation Designs. I'm just coming to you, ladies and gentlemen, today to show you a new abstract pair of earrings that I created. This is a new design of an abstract earring that I have made, and this is a set, and this pair will be going into my shop. I don't know when, maybe within the next couple of days. That's when I'll have this pair in my shop. But I wanted to come to you all today to just show you something new, something that I have been working on and creating and all of that good stuff. So I want to say, if you are new to my channel, please hit the all bell that is on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. I want to thank y'all also for watching, supporting my channel, all my super supporters. I greatly appreciate each and every one of y'all so very much. Yes, and please like and share this video. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.